Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to half swipe on Snapchat application. Now before we begin, make sure that you've updated the Snapchat application to the latest version and also make sure that you're well connected with the internet service. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat application. Now on the home page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the chat icon, which is right at the bottom. So the interface looks something like this. Now what actually half swipe on Snapchat does is that you can see the messages or snap without them knowing that you've already seen the message or the snap. Now in order to do that, all you have to do is long press on the profile icon and then swipe towards your right side. Now do not leave your hand. In case if you leave your hand, so the message will be marked as seen. Now in order to go back, what you have to do is swipe towards your left hand side. Now here, as you can see that as I've already opened the message and also seen the message, but still the message has been marked as unseen or marked as unread. Now that is how you can do half swipe on Snapchat application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. In case the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.